about to leave. Already packing.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Living Gratefully. In today's video, we're going to Charlotte, North Carolina for the weekend. We'll do Ikea. I'll go to Bailey Upchurch's makeup class, which is wonderful. And on the way down on Friday night, we stopped in Danville to have dinner with Scott's sister Christy and Barry, and we went to a dance recital too. We have arrived in Charlotte. This place is huge. I think it's like a courtyard. Let me flip you around and show you. I also need to find the AC because it is hot in here, but this place is really nice. You could live here. Couch, desk, TV, bed. Oh, here's the AC. It says off. Wow. And vanity. Wow. I've actually never been in one this big. And then the bathroom. Wow. Scott is bringing up all the stuff for our little 2-night stay in this gorgeous room, but there was no parking, so it must be really busy. Ooh, full-length mirror for my outfits of the day. We just finished watching Carly and Ottaway. Our niece Carly and her husband Ottaway danced in a recital, and they had like the Grease theme, and it was so fun. Such a good recital, and so fun to see them up there. She's even pregnant with little baby number 2, and she's up there dancing, and she did a really good job, and Ottaway did too. That was kind of like on the way down to Charlotte, so we got here late to Charlotte. It's it's after midnight, and then tomorrow is Ikea, and then the next day is my makeup class. I'm so excited. It's gonna be a fun weekend.
With me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action.
Snowing. It was fun anyway.
We'll get away. This is what we waited for.
All right, we are ready for Ikea. First stop, Dunkin' Donuts. They didn't have the hotel-made oatmeal that I love for breakfast. They had the packets, but that's not the same, so we are just going to Dunkin'. I got a apple fritter, a coffee, and an egg and cheese muffin. And Scott didn't get anything, but I'm hungry.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me.
Ooh. Do we need that, baby? Is it a bathroom rug? I don't need it, but I like it.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Ooh, baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around watch me breaking. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn.
Do you want any red ones, baby?
You got it? Mm-hmm. You tell me what you want.
All right, I want a black and white one for me,
Okay. I think
a black and white one for Stacy, 2 black and white ones for Julie, 1 for Maddie,
This one?
and 1 for Stacy's mom, 1 for Julie's mom, 1 for Ashley, and 1 for Melissa.
So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it. You're sweet. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want. So keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. Just take a hint.
We had great success at Ikea, and we didn't even have to stay long, so that made Scott happy, right, baby? Now we're heading downtown Charlotte to try Flower Child. Our friend Bailey told us about it. She said it's really good, so I'm excited to try that, and we'll get a few shots of downtown Charlotte.
Watch me under the light. So keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound.
Smile for me. Thank you.
So shine on, lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. So take it all. Give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll have you in the dark. So shine on, lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now.
We came back to the room, took some naps, rested, and we're not really that hungry. It's like 7:45 or so, and we're still kind of full from our really delicious lunch and donuts and coffee, but we're gonna go out and maybe try like to get a piece of pizza, something light like that. And then tomorrow is the makeup class in Gastonia with Bailey Upchurch. I'm so excited.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. How it's gonna stay in the fight with you. Just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime.
We just had our delicious lunch at Jersey Mike's, and Scott ran into a store real quick to look around while we're waiting because we have a little bit of time before my class starts. But right after this, we're going to class. I'm going to try to see if I can film in there. I don't know how much I'll get, but hopefully at least a few clips to share with you guys. And let's see, this morning we did Dunkin' Donuts, and I got that butter pecan crunch frozen drink, and it was good. It was very sweet. It was good. However, I think both Scott and I have decided that we don't really like Dunkin' Donuts. It's just not for us. So I'm sure, you know, a lot of you like it, and maybe we're just ordering the wrong things. That drink was good. It was just so sweet. And of course, you know, I should have known it was going to be sweet. It's butter pecan, crunch, frozen, whatever, with some toppings and whipped cream. And it was good. I just don't know if like it's my go-to as far as like even the donuts or that apple fritter was just okay. Yeah, but people love it. So anyway, I'm just really excited because she has been, this is a beginner makeup class, and she is like, you know, expert. So I love the fact that she is sharing her tips with us. I just feel like that is like such a nice thing to do, and she's a good person, and I'm so excited about it. But also, like, as we're leading up to the class, like over the last few days, she's been going on Instagram stories and telling us what she's been up to. She made like a handout for us. She called it a flyer with like pictures, and then we also have like, we're gonna get a page and maybe a pen to make some notes, and she's just like telling us how to get there, what to expect, and she's just really sharing a lot of information. So I've really enjoyed that and getting us all excited. I'm excited to meet a lot of different people there and learn some tips. So let's get going. Scott had found these perfect Hey Dudes at Rack Room, and he said, hey, I saw those Crocs you've been looking for. So we still had a little time, so I ran in there, bought those Crocs, which are so much more comfortable than the heels I was wearing, so I switched them out right away and wore those to class. I'll have those Crocs linked below because they are my favorite. I've been wearing them all spring and summer.
No, I won't stop. It is my time. I know what it's like to be broke. I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. Yeah, I am on my way up. I won't slow down. I'm strolling down the street with all of my favorite songs on repeat. I'm dancing through. Everything's about to come my way, and I don't care if you spill coffee on me or if the sky is gray or blue.
I took some pictures of some of Bailey's favorite makeup items from her kit, and I'll try to link as much as I can down below for you.
Steady on my feet, I'm gonna ride.
We had such a nice time at this class, and I'm glad someone grabbed a group photo of us here. After class, we hit the road. We had to go back home. It was Sunday night. We grabbed dinner on the way home. We tried Shuckin Shack in Salisbury, North Carolina, and it was fun and delicious. We like to share a peck of oysters, and this time we got some hush puppies too.
It's like to be broken, and I know what it's like when nothing goes your way. So I'm just gonna let myself enjoy the fruit from this lucky day.
And then when we got home, the next day was our 14-year wedding anniversary. We all got married on the beach on May 1st, and so Scott had the great idea to get Chinese delivered. He knows I love their donuts, and they give you way too many, but we did enjoy them. Okay, that's it, y'all. I hope you enjoyed coming along with us on this Charlotte trip. Leave me a comment down below if you recognize any of the faces or places in the video, and I'll also link the haul video down below. We bought a few things at Ikea, as you saw, a whole bunch of stuff at Rack Room and Academy Sports, as well as different places while we were at the beach, so it was a huge haul video. And the Cherry Grove Beach travel vlog with our friends is coming soon, so be sure you're subscribed, and I'll see y'all very soon in the next video. Bye.